ओम शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये गजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानां एकदन्तं उपास्महे ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे कृष्णं कमलपत्राक्षं पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनं वासुदेवं जगद्योनिं नौमि नारायणं हरिं नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे कुलारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्रयेन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ या देवी सर्वचैतन्यरूपां ताम् आद्यां शक्तिं च धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् Durgambikaयै नमः Lalitambikaयै नमः. So today being Tuesday, we have a great opportunity to spend some time and invoke the blessings of Goddess Durga, who is highly famous and who is highly practical and who is highly present live with all people, because she takes the Kirti Durga Arti Nasini. So she has the department of trying to cow down the Durga, cow down the all problems. So Arti is the difficulty which we are all getting. Durga Arti Nasini. Shivalingavara, please recite our Kendra prayer.
Recording in progress. 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 Recording in progress.
भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येम अक्षभिर्यजत्राः भद्रं स्थिरैरङ्गैः तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यसेम देवहितं
यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ अग्नेनय सुपताराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेन भो इस्तां ते नम भुक्तिं विधेम ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ आब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवर्चसी जायताम् आराष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूरैषभ्य अतिव्याधि महारथो जायताम् दोग्ध्रीं धेनुर्वोढा नड्वान् आसु सप्तिः पुरन्धिर्योषा जिष्णा रतेष्ठाः सभेयो युव अस्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायताम् निकामे निकामेन पर्जन्यो न बध्यत फलवत्यो न भोषदयः पच्यन्तां योगक्षेमो न कल्पेताम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणचक्षुः स्तोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वब्रह्मोपनिषदम् माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु अनिराकरणम् अस्तु निराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओं नमस्ते
Are you hearing me?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
So, Durga Saptasati, 700 slokas. And all the slokas are not metrical, but even small sentences also become the status of a sloka. And as we are reading or uttering the Stotras Grantha, we are able to follow the meaning also and power of Durga operative. And so 700 formulas we can take them to be. And so that we are going to learn that. And before that, as a part of minimum vidhi, we have to armor ourselves, because Durga Devi is fire. She is the Agni Sambhava, and she is Tejo Rasi. And she has the Tejo Rasi taken the form of a Nari. So, Nari Abhavat. And when she became a woman, that power became a woman, she was really empowered by so many gods. And with the power endowed by different gods, and they're all different energies. With that kind of energy, Sena, she was able to fight tough war with Rakshasas, and she was able to cause Dharma Samsthapana and bring back positions to all the gods, including Indra, to sit on the throne, which he lost or which was robbed by Mahishasura, as the stories keep going. And this portion of Devi Upasana has been taken up from the Markandeya Purana, so a course of 13 chapters containing 700 slokas or ideas are there in this particular text. So we just completed the most important Kavacha Stotram. Because Durga Kavacham, anybody wears it, then he will be having a permanent protection, and he will have his course smooth. That's why in the last portion, last slokas, which we have covered the previous class, that it is said, Yavad Bhumandalam Dhatte Tasaila Vanakananam Tavat Tishtanti Medinyam Santatihi Putra Pautriki Dehante Paramam Sthanam Yat Surairapi Durlabham Prapnoti Purushaha Nityam Mahamaya Prasadataha Lavate Paramam Rupam Sivena Saha Modate. So these are all the Phalashrutis or advantages or the promises which are given to us by the Maharshi at the end of the Argala Stotram, Kavacha Stotram, and what is wanted. Paramam Rupam Labhate. One, Sivena Sahamodate, you will get a Sivasayujya, because Sivasayujya is ultimate moksha, Kailasa Prapti. What is Kailasa? Kevalatvam Kailasam or Kaivalyam. They call it the Kaivalyam. That is, you are independent and you merge into Paramananda Shakti, that is Mahasiva. And moreover, as long as we continue to exist on this earth, then all that good that should happen to us upon the earth, something like the family, prosperity of the family, children, grandchildren, associates, and health, etc., all that will be very much supportive. Medinyam. Medini means upon the earth. Son, Putra Pautriki, because our name, our fame, everything remains upon the earth. Though your physical body is not there, but the kirti that we have attained by virtue of our own activity upon the world, that only will be constant. Therefore, nothing is permanent. Whatever good you say happens only once, and repeated good will not happen. Same thing does not happen. Something like the river water which you caught into your Anjali, and you will not get it back again. So that pravaha. So this is what we call janana marana pravaha rupam samsara jarim tartum. So for this kind of tarana or tarana of the samsara, we require the blessings of support of Naveva Sindhum Atiduritat. See, Agni and Durga, they will be able to help you to cross over the river of difficulties in life, because somebody was asking, why at all we want birth? Why at all we should do puja? Why at all we should honor the gods? Well, these are all the normal questions that have been asked all the time. But simple thing is, the very fact that we have got the birth means we have got some more remnants of sin, vasana, and all that. So karma, and that has got to be nullified to the possible extent. When once that is nullified, then you become eligible, deserving to go to enjoy the elevation higher and higher and higher. Therefore, and moreover, who is this Parameswari who can do it? She is called as a Mahamaya. Mahamaya prasadataha paramam rupam labate. So, Mayinam, Maya. Maya is something will cover up Mahashakti. Maya has got several meanings, and it's a big wonderful concept in philosophy, Vedanta. But simple definition is that which is not visible to your eye, but still influencing your situations, is called Maya. So, and that could be in the form of a disease, it could be in the form of your making or anything like that. So, but ultimately, the Mahamaya Tarana can be possible. And what is What is Maya? Maya is the Moha. See, Moha is a Garta, and Mohana is an important thing that happens to all people. Therefore, we have this kind of safety provided by the Durga Parameswari. And not spending more time on this, we will go to the Argala Stotram today and try to understand how Parameswari is trying to give us double security. See, Argala commonly is commonly called as the crowbar in English. ಅಂದರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಹಾಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, and ಅದರಿಂದ it is you are safe. It is hard for anybody to break down when once the crowbar is put that. And sometimes people also lock that crowbar so that you are secure inside the house. So safety, security, prosperity, and all that is inside. So the Argala Stotram is there, and for this Mahalakshmi is the Devata, and you have to recite the Argala Stotram just to please Jagadamba, that is Universal Mother, and she is the mother of mothers, and Ammalagamna Amma, as Potana puts it. So that kind of situation, you are able to go through that. So I am just giving you the Argala Stotram Sankalpam. Please repeat. मम उपात्त समस्तदुरितक्षयद्वारा
द्वारा मम
मम
उपात्त समस्त दुरितक्षयद्वारा
श्रीपरमेश्वर प्रीत्यर्थम्
श्री परमेश्वर प्रीत्यर्थम श्री परमेश्वर प्रीत्यर्थम
श्रीदुर्गा परमेश्वरी प्रीत्यर्थम्
श्री दुर्गा परमेश्वरी प्रीत्यर्थम श्री दुर्गा परमेश्वरी प्रीत्यर्थम
दुर्गा सप्तशती
दुर्गा सप्तशती
पारायण अध्ययने
पारायणाध्ययने
अंगभूतेन
ಏನ್ ಸರ್
अंगभूतेन
ಅಂಗಪೂಜೇನ
भूतेन अर्गलास्तोत्र
ಪೂಜೇನ ಅರ್ಗಲಾ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ
पारायण अध्ययनं करिष्यामः
ಪಾರಾಯಣ ಅಧ್ಯಯನಂ ಕರಿಷ್ಯಾಮಃ
ओम नमो भगवत्यै दुर्गाम्बिकायै
ಓಂ ನಮೋ ಭಗವತೆ ದುರ್ಗಾಂಬಿಕಾಯೇ ಓಂ ನಮೋ ಭಗವತೆ ದುರ್ಗಾಂಬಿಕಾಯೇ
अथ अर्गलास्तु ओम अस्य श्री अर्गलास्तोत्र मंत्रस्य
ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಯ ಅರ್ಗಲಾ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ ಮಂತ್ರಸ್ಯ ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಯ ಅರ್ಗಲಾ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ ಮಂತ್ರಸ್ಯ
विष्णुः ऋषिः
ವಿಷ್ಣುಃ
ऋषिः
ಋಷಿಃ ವಿಷ್ಣುಃ ಋಷಿಃ
अनुष्टुप् छन्दः
ಅನುಷ್ಟಪ್ ಛಂದಃ
श्रीमहालक्ष्मी देवता
ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ದೇವತಾ
श्रीजगदम्बा प्रीतये
ಶ್ರೀ ಜಗದಂಬಾ ಪ್ರೀತಯೇ
सप्तशती पाठाङ्गत्वेन
ಅಷ್ಟಶತಿ ಪಾಠಾಂಗೇನ
सप्त सप्त सप्तशती
ಆ,
सप्त
ಸಪ್ತಶತಿ ಪಾಠಾಂಗೇನ
पाठाङ्गत्वेन
ಪಾಠಾಂಗತ್ವೇನ
जपे विनियोगः जपे विनियोगः जप
ಜಪೇ ವಿನಿಯೋಗಃ
ओम नमश्चंडिकायै
ಓಂ ನಮಶ್ಚಂಡಿಕಾಯೇ
ओम मार्कंडेय उवाच
ಓಂ ಮಾರ್ಕಂಡೇಯ ಉವಾಚ
ओम जयंती मंगला काली
ಓಂ ಜಯಂತಿ ಮಂಗಲಾ ಕಾಳಿ
भद्रकाली कपालिनी
ಭದ್ರಕಾಳಿ ಕಪಾಲಿನಿ
दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा
ದುರ್ಗಾ ಕ್ಷಮಾ ಶಿವಾ
धात्री
ಧಾತ್ರಿ
स्वाहा स्वधा
ಸ್ವಾಹಾ ಸ್ವಧಾ
नमोस्तुते
ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ
जयत्वं देवी चामुण्डे जयत्वं जयत्वं देवी
ಜಯತ್ವಂ ದೇವಿ
चामुण्डे चामुण्डे
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
जय भूतार्तिहारिणी my internet is going on भूतार्ति भू
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ
ಭೂತಾರ್ತಿಹಾರಿಣಿ ಜಯ ಭೂತಾರ್ತಿ ಆರಿಣಿ
ನೀ
जय सर्वगते देवी
ಜಯ ಸರ್ವಗತೆ
ದೇವಿ ಜಯ ಸರ್ವಗತೆ ದೇವಿ
कालरात्रि नमोस्तुते
ಕಾಲರಾತ್ರಿ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಕಾಲರಾತ್ರಿ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ
मधुकैटभ विद्रावी
ಮಧುಕೈಟಭ ವಿದ್ರಾಹಿ
विधातृवरदे नमः
धातृवरधे नमः विधातृवरधे नमः
रूपं देहि जयं देहि
रूपं देहि जयं देहि रूपं देहि जयं देहि
यशो देहि द्विषो जहि
यशो देहि द्विषो जहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि
See, there are different names to Durga Parameswari, and all the names have got background. All the names are very powerful. And to begin with, as a part of Argala, we have a small list of the Kirti of Durga Parameswari with these names as Jayanti, Mangala, Kali, Bhadrakali, Kapalini, Durga, Kshama, Shiva, Dhatri, Swadha. So there are 10 names to her, and all these 10 names are the Kirti of Durgamma. And primarily, what is Durga? She is always Jayanti. Jayanti means victorious. Nobody can defeat her at all. Although Mahishasura, Sumbhasura, Nisumbhasura, Rattabija, etc., a bevy of great Rakshasas, they just pounced on her in order to kill her only, but they were not at all successful. So all time, she is the most victorious lady. Therefore, nobody can take that name as Jayanti. And she is Jayanti in order to cause Mangalam to all people. So Paramamsthan, as you noted in the previous stotra, Kavacha stotra, that all her success, victory is only to provide wonderful life, peaceful life, successful life upon the earth. Afterwards, to give us the moksha. So it is a double-edged blade. Therefore, she is called as Mangala. In fact, Mangala Devi is very much famous in the Mangaluru, in the South Karnataka, where there is the Mangala Devi also is taken as a Grama Devata there. So now that Mangala Devi temple in Mangalore probably has become very much well improved. So long years back when I visited Mangalore for the first time, I was taken to the Mangala Devi temple first time by another Sanskrit professor, Sriyan Ratna, and then Mavaru. So that is only after her, the town has been called as Mangala Uru. And next is Kali, Bhadrakali. Kali is a really powerful, fearful, terrifying goddess. Because Kali, Karalavadana, Damstrojvala, Akshamala. So like that, Rudhira Samsthita. So this is how the Kali Swarupa has been described. Moreover, in Tantra Shastra and other stotras, you have got the picture of Kali, because basically Kali Karalavadana, Damstrojvala. So she has got a very, very terrific, fearful face, and she has got protruding teeth out from her mouth, and she will be stretching her tongue out. So the Swarupa is so terrifying. But for a bhakta, she is highly kind and affectionate. For example, we have got Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, who is the strong devotee of Kali Devi, the aspect of Durga as a Kalika Devi, and she is so graceful. And moreover, the Purohits in the Kali temple have got to be a little very disciplined. And I don't know, when I visited first time, the Kali temple in Dhavaleswaram, where the Ramakrishna Matan and originally is there, and the Purohit will wear the woman sari dress and then he will be not viewing people at all, whoever come and go, especially at a time when he is performing the puja to Kali Devi. And also, I happened to meet one more great Kali Upasaka in Kakinada by name Addepalli Mangaya Sastri. And well, we had just completed his Kali worship with all discipline. And the moment I announced myself that I'm there, by that time itself, I had the Sri Vidya Upadesham. And so he has written small booklets on Durga, on Lalita Parameswari, and on the Sri Vidya Upasana and all that. So he presented small booklets to me, and one of them is Lalita Swaswarupam and Kali Aradhana and all that. Even today, I think I have got them in our library here. So Kali is Kala Kali. So Kala is Shiva, Kali is Ammavar. In fact, when Ravanasara asked for Parvati Devi to come with him and he wanted to marry Parvati, that so much was enamored. He forgot the purpose for which he went to Kailas and for which he praised Shiva. And Mahamaya, look at it, the Parvati was with Shiva and he wanted to ask the Atmalinga in order to fail him in his memory, Mahamaya. So looking at Parvati, he asked, give me that Parvati, send Parvati with me to Lanka. Shankara is such a great god that he will not disoblige the Bhakta's desire. Whatever desire that Bhaktas would say, he would just say yes. That's why he's called Bola Shankar, Sab Kuch Hoga. That's the belief in North. If you just say Shankar, then all your things will get fulfilled. So here she is Kali. But even Kali, there are so many Kalis, but Bhadra Kali, she wants to use all her power and all her energies and all her grace in order to cause Mangalam to the world. Therefore, she has got a Bhadra Kali. Bhadra is safety. Bhadra is the grace. Bhadra is the... So there are so many meanings for the word Bhadram. So Bhadram Karnebhi, understand that mantram. So there are many meanings for the word Bhadram. So Bhadra Kali means a Kali who is able to fulfill the rightful desires of the Bhaktas. Therefore, the Kali mantram, Mula mantram sometimes reads as Sekyam va tanme bruhi anta heltare. Whatever project or proposal or desire I am forwarding, whether it is going to happen or not happen, please tell me. Some such kind of decision is being asked for Kali Devi. Therefore, Kalika Upasakas are very strict. At the same time, they get to quick. In fact, the Kali Mantram, you might be knowing, but whatever Kali Mantram I have been given was simply telling that the material desires and spiritual progress, both of them have got to be granted by the Bhadrakali. So Bhadrakali Namostute anta helidaga, so Ammavaru Bhadramu cheyadaniki, security, safety provide cheyadaniki Ammavaru out on that. And moreover, she is also called as a Kapalini. I can keep on talking because these are all the various names, Kirti, and behind it, there is a lot of history behind it. We are not going to history about it, but still, why she is called Kapalini? Because Kapala is the skull, and she is having the Rundamala or Kapala Mala. So if Shiva is having Kapala Mala, even she also is wearing the Kapala Mala. And all the there is a boon given to all Bhaktas, especially the Rakshasas, whoever are killed by her, or they will be collecting the kapala of each one of the bhaktas and make a mala and wear it. So that constantly the demons or mahabhaktas will be a decoration for the personality or appearance of Devi. Therefore, Kapala Malika Dharam, you know, Sivatandava Stotram, he dances, he makes a Tandava Nrutya with the Kapala Mala. And moreover, Shiva or Parvati, when they are on dance, they don't care whatever is on their body, but it is up to the things that are on our body to maintain themselves. For example, in Sivatandava Stotram, elsewhere, you see when Shiva was dancing, even the serpent, which is 12 feet long, cannot remain coiling around the neck of Shiva safe, but it was just hanging down. And it was trying to get up because the serpent has not got a backbone. So it can twist anyway, any direction it wants. That is a disadvantage and that is a danger for all people. They say only when you have got backbone, the problem, fixity one comes up. When there is no backbone, then you understand you can twist and turn in any direction you want. So Amavaru or Ayya, when they are dancing, the serpents no serpent falls down from the body of Shiva. So it's all about it. So Kapalini means all the skulls are made as a mala and wearing it. And Durga's name itself tells us that she is invincible and nobody can defeat her. That's why in Durga Sapti you are going to see her prowess saying Garja Garja Yavat Madhupidam Madhu Yavat Pibamyaham. When Mahishasura finally comes roaring and to pounce on her and finish her, then at that time she was having a Panapatra in her hand and she said to Mahishasura, hey Mahisha, keep roaring. Give me time to finish my cup of wine. Then I'll come and drink. So that's why Garja Garja Yavat Madhupivamyaham. That is, she's at quite leisurely, even though enemy is falling and enemy is coming with great force. So that is the composed status of Amavaru. So she is called as Durga and Chama Devi. You know, Chama is Bhudevi actually. So Bhudevi also is Durgamma. So Durga Swarupam also is. So when we are keeping all our activities upon the world, upon the earth, which means even she has to protect us. That's why Gita or Guttide, Ellar, whoever attend, Vasan also may be reciting every time. When you perform the homam, Saundarya, ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಭೂಮೌ ಸ್ಖಲಿತ ಪಾದಾನಾಂ ಭೂಮಿರೇವಾವಲಂಬನಂ ತ್ರೈಜಾತಾಪರಾಧಾನಾಂ ತ್ವಮೇವ ಶರಣಂ ಶಿವೇ ಸ್ವಾಹಾ. So bhumau skalita padanam. After all, if at all we want to sleep, we should sleep on the ground. And whereupon you fall, again on the ground, you fall down. So where you sleep, there again you have got safety and protection and support. Therefore, she is called as a Chama. Of course, we are all children of Bhudevi. And the Lord of Bhudevi is Venkatramana Swami. So that's why Bhudevi, Sri Devi. First Bhudevi. ಸೊ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮಹಾವಿಷ್ಣುವಿಗೆ ಮಂಗಳಾರತಿ ತೋರಿಸುವಾಗ ಅಪುರೋಹಿತರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಮ್ಮ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಭೂದೇವಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ದೆನ್ ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಷಮಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿವ. This is very, and she will not be fearful to all those whoever approach, whoever make prayer, whoever make. The same idea, Shiva, is being explained by our Shankaracharya and Saundarlahari in the earlier sloka, saying that Amma tavahi charana aveva saranao. So tavahi charana aveva saranao, when she says like that, Shiva means she is always compatible, comfortable, causing auspiciousness to the devotees. And more than all these things, Durga Parameswari is taken as Dhatri. Dhatri andre Amma, supported. That she is the mother. So that's why Lalita Sahasranamam, it becomes Sri Mata, Sri Maharagni, Sri Mat Simhasaneshwari. Amavaru అంత పెద్ద స్టేటస్లో, పొజిషన్లో, చైర్లో కూర్చున్నప్పటికీ అమ్మగా she cannot, Amma cannot remain in the AC chair. Wherever the baby runs through, the mother also runs after. The same has been said in our Veda, speaking about Apodevatas, Ushatiriva Mataraha, Tasma Arangamamavo, Yes Yakshaya Yajinvatha. So Ushatiriva Mataraha. See, like mothers run after their kids in order to feed them, or in order to protect them, in order to play with them, etc. Like that, Ammavaru is called as a Dhatri. And again, most important thing is Swaha Swadha. Ammavaru is the goddess of all the gods, and she is also the god, she is the protector of all the Pitru Devatas. Actually, there are two kinds of divisions of the Devatas. One is, we call it as a Devatas, and another is called as the Pitru Devatas. That is, all those people who lived upon the earth, who have earned some kind of merit, punyam, and they all turn into the Pitraloka. So, Pitaraha and Devaha Triptyantu in some Chamaka Prashnam, last Anuvaka, there we have got the mention of the important work or blessing that God should give us. Secondly, that the Pitru Devatas, Shobhayai Pitaro Numadantu, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti, Shobhayai Pitaraha Numadantu, you understand? So that they give us the architectural grandeur, interior decoration, exterior decoration, and all that to your house you built is all Pitru Anugraha. And having the shelter and building the house with all beauty, with all amenities, is the Devata Anugraha. So Devata Anugraha plus Pitru Anugraha joined together is equal to your comfortable living, comfortable house, comfortable decorations. So that's why Swaha is for the gods, Swadha for the Pitru Devatas. So in these two forms, embodiments of Swahakara, embodiment of Swadhakara, she is the lady, and therefore Te Namaha Astu. Te is important for her. Now you put a question, who is the Durga whose Argalatvam we are asking for? That Durga basically is Jayanti, Mangala, Kali, Bhadrakali, Kapalini, Durga, Kshama, Shiva, Dhatri. Not only that, she is Swaha, connected to all gods in sample, in principle, and Swadha, connected to all Pitru Devatas. Even among Pitru Devatas also, if you go to the Veda, we have got division. Agnishwataha Pitaraha. See, those people, and there are different kinds of Pitrus also. In fact, I am planning to have a talk on Pitru Devatas also. Now, always we talk about the Devatas or Devaha, and talk on Pitru Devata and Shraddha, etc. will be very interesting. Otherwise, it is called Parakarma and Aparakarma. Because Parakarma, Parayanaha, we are always there. That is, we are doing puja, homa, parayana, adhyayana, adhyapana, yajana, yajana, dana, patigrahana. Oh God, we have so much of dana ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಂತ್ರ ಬೇಕು. For example, when Bali Chakravarti, in spite of Sukracharya's interference, saying no, he said, my word is important. I want to be a Satyavan. So I have promised that I will give Vamana, the Brahmin, Batu, the land. So he just says a beautiful mantra that Potana composed and says, Vipraya Prakatavrataya Bhavate Vishnu Swarupaya ದಾಸ್ಯಾಮಿ ಕ್ರಿಯಾ ಕ್ಷಿಪ್ರುಂಡೈ ಧನುಜೇಶ್ವರುಂಡು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ತೆಲುಗು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಹಾದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ವಾಹ ಸ್ವಧ ಅಂಡ್ ನಮಃ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಹೃತಿ. ಸಿ ನಮಃ ಸ್ವಾಹ ಸ್ವಧ ವಾಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ವಷಟ್ ಫಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಭೂಹು ಭುವಃ ಸುವಃ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಹೃತಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲೌಡ್ ಅಟರೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಆ ಲೌಡ್ ಅಟರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಅನುಕೂಲಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ 2, 3, 4, 5 ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ಗಲಾ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರಂ is completely a repetition until the end. No. Until long time, we have the, yes, up to the end almost, we have got up to the 23rd slokam, we have got the second line constantly repeating as a refrain, because as long as we are living in this world, what is most importantly needed and maintained and sustained and promoted? What is that, Amma? Rupam Dehi. See, I'm just explaining the second line of the. So, Rupam Dehi, Jayam Dehi, Yasho Dehi, Disho Dehi. So, we want to have a Rupam Dehi. Rupam means Arogyam. See, however, change physically, body might undergo, but there should not be change in the health care, health situation. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿ, ಆನಂದವಾಗಿ, ಉತ್ಸಾಹವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೈವಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾನುಷಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಏನು ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಬಲ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ರೂಪಂ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ರೂಪಂ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ, ಅವರ್ ಫಾರಮ್, ಅವರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಯ ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಜಯವನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಕ್ಟರಿ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಪ್ರಪೋಸ್, ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಪ್ರಾರಭ್ಯತೆ ನಕಲು ವಿಘ್ನವಯೇನ ನೀಚೈಹಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಭರ್ತೃಹರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನೀಚರು. ಯಾಕೆ? ವಿಘ್ನ ಭಯೈಹಿ, ಅಯ್ಯನೋ ವಿಘ್ನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಮಧ್ಯಮರಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಅಂತಹ ಜನರು ತುಂಬ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ. ವೇದಾಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ 2-3 ದಿವಸ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ವೇದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಸನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೂ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪತ್ತೇನೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೋದ್ರು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ರಾಜಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಘನಪಾಠಿ, ಈ ಭಾರತೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಜುರ್ವೇದ ಪಾಠ ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಫೀಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ 33 ಜನ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡೇಟರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರಹ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸುಸೂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಜಯವಾಗಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ದೇವರ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಬೇಕು. ಅಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ತಾಯಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಲ ತಂದೆ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಪ್ಲೆಸ್, he will only be negative, but Tayi will be positive. If Tayi is positive, you are always great. So everybody acknowledges the runat for the mother more than the father. I am also one, you are also one. Because Tayi gives to boldness, forwardness, and protective zeal, etc. That's why Durga Parameswari ಏನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಜಯಂ ದೇಹಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ ಜಯ ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಿಂದ ಏನು ಕೀರ್ತಿಕರವಾಗಿರೋ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಶೋದೇಹಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದೇ ಭರ್ತೃಹರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಜಯಂ ದೇಹಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾರಬ್ಧ ಉತ್ತಮ ಜನಾಃ ನ ಪರಿತ್ಯಜಂತಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಥೀಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಭರ್ತೃಹರಿ? ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್ ದಟ್ those people, Uttamas, when they once start the project, they will go up to the end until it is being completed and success is accorded for us. Therefore, it is called Jayam Dehi. And Yasha andre Kirti. Namge Yashak Kaya is important than this Bhautika Kaya. ಈ ಭೌತಿಕ ಶರೀರ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಕಳೇಬರಂ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸರಿ, ಕಳೇಬರಂ and ಜರ್ಝರೀಭೂತೆ ಕಳೇಬರೇ. And that's why ಅಕಾಲ ಮೃತ್ಯುಹರಣಂ, ಸರ್ವವ್ಯಾಧಿ ಪ್ರಶಮನಂ, and ಔಷಧಿ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಪಾದೋದಕಂ ಪಾವನಂ ಶುಭಂ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕಳೇಬರ. ಕಳೇಬರ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬ್ಲಡ್, ವೇನ್ಸು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನರ್ವ್ಸು, ಬೋನ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಆಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸರುಧರ್ಮ ತ್ವಕ್ ಚರ್ಮಮಾಗುಂ ಸರುಧರ್ಮಜ್ಜಾ ಮೇಧವ ಸರುಧರ್ಮ ಮಜ್ಜಾ ಮೇಧವೋ ಸ್ನಾಯುವೋ ಸ್ಥೀನಿಮೇ ಸುಧ್ಯಂತಾಂ. ಜ್ಯೋತಿರಹಂ ರಜಾ ವಿಪಾಪ್ಮ ಭೂಯ ಸಗ್ಗುಂ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 8 contents are there main, beginning from outer skin going up to the deeper bone. So bone in the outer skin, the 8 layers are there, which are enumerated in the Viraja Homa mantras of Mahanarayana Upanishad in Yajurveda, Krishna Yajurveda, Taittiriya Aranyaka. So you observe that's exactly what we want about the Yashahadihi and Dishojehi. So there are always, Disha means impediments, obstacles, obstructions, negativity, tamoguna. Just know, see, tamoguna people never come forward at all. They will be just like Rakshasas. Tamassu, Rajasu for Rakshasa community. And Sattvaguna Sampat is for the sadhu janas. That's why ಈ ಸತ್ವಗುಣವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಧಾನವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಜಿಂಕೆಯ ಚರ್ಮದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಉಪಾಸನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yesterday and on Sunday there was a beautiful program, and so many secrets and information, knowledge was being imparted to us by Raghava, and recording is there. I have already forwarded in our Nadaveda WhatsApp, and I wish all of you must see the full video and get hold of knowledge, those who could not attend for number of reasons of your own nature. But at least spend some time, make others also see, share that to others, see that Krishnajina, important. Sitting on Krishnajina and doing upasana is so much important, because the Jinka Charmadalli Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar irtare. Rigveda, Samaveda, Atharveda irutte. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೃಥ್ವಿ, ಅಂತರಿಕ್ಷ, ದ್ಯುಲೋಕ, 3 ಲೋಕಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜಿಂಕೆದ ಚರ್ಮ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜೀಸ್ chant, bless that kind of sarma for asana and for meditation, for siddhi and all that. And when there are people outside India too who have been initiated into that upasana or meditation, sitting upon the deer skin and getting vibrations and so much of experience. Why I'm telling is, that's what we call it. So Dvishahajihi. So now meditation ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಪೂಜಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ದೇವರ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದೇವರ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೈಲರು, ಕಾಬ್ಲರು, ಶಾಪ್ ಮ್ಯಾನು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಬೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ. ನೋ, ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗದೆ ಇಂಥ ವಿಘ್ನಗಳು ಬರದೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಗ್ರೇಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು, ಅಮ್ಮ ಈಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಯಬಲ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ದೆನ್ in the second sloka, you are having Devi, and we have to also, before we ask any desires from her to be fulfilled for us, we should see that she is fortified. ದೇವರನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತನ್ನೋ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಬಲಂ ಪ್ರವರ್ಧತಾಂ. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಪೂಜೆಯಿಂದ ವಿಷ್ಣುವಿನ ಬಲ ಪ್ರವರ್ಧಮಾನವಾಗಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರವರ್ಧಮಾನವಾಗಿರುವ ಬಲದಿಂದ ಆ ವಿಷ್ಣು, ಮಹಾವಿಷ್ಣು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರವರ್ಧಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಿ, ದುಡ್ಡಿದ್ದವರ ಹತ್ರ, ಧನಿಕರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಬೇಡಿದರೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿರುವ ಧನಿಕರ ಹತ್ರ ಬೇಡಿದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಬೇರೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನಾವು ದಿನಾ ರುದ್ರ ಪಾರಾಯಣ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, ರುದ್ರಾಭಿಷೇಕ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? there is a prayer, ಧನವಂತರನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಂಬರಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಧನವಂತರ. ಮಗವದ್ಭ್ಯಸ್ತನುಷ್ವ ಮೀಢ್ವಸ್ತೋಕ ಯತನಯಾಯ ಮೃಡಯ ಮೀಢುಷ್ಟಮಸಿವತಮಸಿವೋ ನ ಸುಮನಾಭವ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಮಗವದ್ಭ್ಯಸ್ತನುಷ್ವ ಅಂದರೆ he has to increase the number of rich people with soft mind for improvement and all that. ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಶಿವನ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಬೇಕು, ತಾಯಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಚಾಮುಂಡ ಅಂಡ್ ಭೂತ ಆರ್ತಿಹಾರಿಣಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋಟ್. ಭೂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯ ಭಾಗೋಗಗಳನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಆ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸು ಸಸ್ಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ದುರ್ಗಮ್ಮದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನಮಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ, ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯ ಪರ್ವ್ಯೂಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಕರುಣೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೋ ರಿಗ್ರೆಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಜನ್ಮ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹುಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂತ ಆರ್ತಿಹಾರಿಣಿ, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರಿಮೂವರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ತಿ ಆರ್ ದುಃಖ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. Therefore, ಅಮ್ಮವಾರಿಗೆ that's why we always make prayer saying that ದ್ವಿಪದೇ ಶಂ ಚತುಷ್ಪದೇ. ದ್ವಿಪದೇ, two-legged animals. ಚತುಷ್ಪದೇ, 4 and more legged animals. So when we talk about the feet, because all animals are distinguished, feet, number of feet, and no feet at all. Serpent has no feet, and humans have got 2 feet, and animals have got 4 feet, and there are so many other birds, other creatures which have got more or less feet. So look at that. So feet is the standard by which you can get the bhutatvam. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ತಲೆಯಿಂದಲ್ಲ, ಚರ್ಮದಿಂದಲ್ಲ, ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ವಿಶ್ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, white people, and then like that we have got people being distinguished by the color of the skin. ಆ ಚರ್ಮದ ಬಣ್ಣದಿಂದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕು, ವೈಟು, ಬ್ರೌನು, ಬ್ಲೂ, ರೆಡ್ಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಚರ್ಮ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್. But for animals, there is no color difference at all. All animals are same color almost. But the coloring comes up only for the humans. And that is the variety that God has created, God has accrued for the beings born upon the land. Therefore, we have ಭೂತ ಆರ್ತಿಹಾರಿಣಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭೂತಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರಹ ದುಃಖ ಬಂದರೂ ಆ ದುಃಖವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆಯಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ದುರ್ಗಾದೇವಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಜಯ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಜಯಂತಿ, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಮಂಗಳ ಅಂತ ದುರ್ಗಾದೇವಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಧಾನ್ಯತೆ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಇನ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಮಧುಕೈಟವ ವಿದ್ರಾವಿ ವಿಧಾತೃವರದೇ ನಮಃ. ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ highest distinction and qualification for Durgamma to be worshipped, to be remembered, to be approached for Arti Harana is because she has killed up, she has finished Madhurakshasa, Kaitava Rakshasa. And that is the beginning of her. In the first chapter, you see, Madhukaitavas are 2 demons who are the children of Mahavishnu, but born out of the Kivimala. So Karnamala antarala, the wax that is there in the ear, somehow he removed the wax and thrown out. 2 Rakshasas were born, Madhukaitavas. So Brahma is also, because of Brahma is positive, and Madhukaitava Rakshasas, because they are all Vishnumsas and they have immense power. And the problem arose when the Madhukaitava Rakshasas wanted to kill Brahmadeva and wanted to sit and take the position of Brahma's work. A Brahma appointment ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅತ್ಯಾಸ. That's why ದುಷ್ಟ ದೂರ ದುರಾಚಾರ ಶಮನಿ ಅಂತ, ಈ ದುಷ್ಟ ದಾನವ ಭಂಜಿನಿ ಅಂತ ದಾನವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಹಾಭಕ್ತರು. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಮಹಾಭಕ್ತರಾದರೆ ಆ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ they wanted to challenge even the gods. So Saturn, in our English literature, we see Saturn and God. That Saturn was thrown down to the earth when he went up to the heights for 9 days and nights by the Paramatma, because he wanted to occupy the position of the God. God cannot give up the position of his position. Whoever be the Bhakta, He always, because God has got to take after not only that single bhakta, but also several bhutas in the world. That's why Madhukaitava, what she has done is Vidravi. That's the idea. Vidravi means they made, Amavaru has made all these Madhu, Rakshasa, Kaitava Rakshasa, and Mahishasura, and all these people to run away from life. What do you mean by run away from life? Die. So when they, life means activity. That's why Vivekananda gives a beautiful definition. Life is expansion, death is contraction ಅಂತ. ಏನು ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆತ್ಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಲೈಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೋತ್, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆತ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಯು ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ tried to make all the Rakshasas to get away from their atrocity and body and leave the bhumi free for other people to perform yajna, homa, dana, tapaha and all that. Sattvic people. That's why the word Vidravi is interesting, because she has not killed at all. She has made them to go. That's why you are going to see in Durga Saptati that ಕೈರ್ನ ಕೈರ್ಹಿ ಜೀವತೆ ಕುಪಿತಾಂತಕ ದರ್ಶನೇನ. Who can live when Durga Parameswari comes with a great anger, with angry face? Anybody comes, can anybody combat with them? No, they succumb. ಸೊ ಕುಪಿತಾಂತಕ ದರ್ಶನೇನ ಕೈರ್ಜೀವ್ಯತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರಾಣಾನ್ ಮುಮೋಚ ಭರತಃ, ಸಾರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಣಾನ್ ಮುಮೋಚ ಮಹಿಷಃ. ಅಮ್ಮವಾರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ? ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳನ್ನು ತಾನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರ್ ಭಕ್ತಾಸ್. She has to only request and cause the bhaktas to give up their body or pranams by themselves voluntarily. That is the way how Parameswari will work at. ದೇವರು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಡೆತ್. ಸೊ ಆ ತರಹ ಆಗದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಧಾತೃ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಧಾತೃ ವರದೇ ನಮಃ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್. ಸೊ ವರದಾನ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲಿ, ಶತ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ವಿಘ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲಿ Durga Parameswari is top authority. Whether it is a problem from the demons, from the kallas, from all that, she is there as support for you. When you have got to have the Vidhatru, the creation power in you. Vidhatru, don't think of Brahmadeva. You want to create, you want to contribute, you want to support, you want to develop technology, you want to prepare new gadgets. You know, we used to get hit too by just whirling that Visarrai. Now you have got where you just press the button, you get the powder. Dry grinders are there, wet grinders are there. So what is it happening? So this is all development that we are able to have. For that development process is, who is responsible? Vidhatru is responsible. Brahmadeva is responsible. The creator is responsible. So Madhu Kaitava Vidravi means all the negativity will be driven away. And on the other hand, she gives room for the creativity to come up. So what we want in the life? We want to suppress difficulties and avoid difficulties. And we want to do something contributory. That's why we always say that Pasyati Putram, Pasyati Pautram, Pasyati Prapautram antare. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜೀವೇಮ ಸರದಶತಂ, ನಂದಾಮ ಸರದಶತಂ, ಮೋದಾಮ ಸರದಶತಂ. So when you say that, you want to continue living all that long years. That is what is called Vidhatrutvam. ಈಗಲೇ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, it is always a great grace to live long life, to have long life upon the earth, because Earth is the most beautiful loka among all lokas. Don't think that any other loka is not as beautiful as the Earth. This particular point is very well described by Bhattabhana in Harshacharitam, another prose text written by that great poet. So Saraswati out of curse with two Sakhis, or she will be coming down to the Bhuloka from Satyaloka because of the curse given by the Durshasana, Durvasa Maharshi in the open court when all people are busy in discussion of the Gnana Sabha. Then Saraswati just smiled at Durvasa Maharshi. He mistook that, he thought that Saraswati smiled here at Durvasa, immediately gets up and then curses. That Saraswati curse, that taking the Jala Kamandala water, saying that you go to Bhuloka and marry and all those things. Then she has to live in Bhuloka, Saraswati. And as she was coming down from Satyaloka, she was asked by the Sakhis, Amma, where can we have your hermitage in Bhuloka? Then she, all through the time, you find a beautiful description of the Bhuloka. So, Bhulokadalli iddavರಿಗೆ ಯಾತರ ಬೇಜಾರು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಸುವರ್ಣ ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂ ಬುರ್ವೀಂ ಚಿನ್ವಂತಿ ಪುರುಷಾಸ್ತ್ರಯಃ ಧರ್ಮಜ್ಞಶ್ಚ ಕೃತಜ್ಞಶ್ಚ ಕೃತವಿದ್ಯಶ್ಚ ಶೂರಶ್ಚ ಕೃತವಿದ್ಯಶ್ಚ ಯಶ್ಚ ಜಾನಾತಿ ಸೇವಿತಂ ಅಂತ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸುವರ್ಣ ಪುಷ್ಪ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಂಥ ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಿ. ಸೊ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಈಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ರಿಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಂಪರ್ಸ್ difficulties. On the other hand, she gives you the positive energy. Negative energy is subdued and positive energy is being given to us. Therefore, we make a prayer, Rupam Dehi, Jayam Dehi, Yasho Dehi, Dvisho Dehi, is the namaskara for the great goddess Durga Parameswari. So, we have covered something as a beginning for us. So, you understand, simply reading Durga Argala Stotra and all that is one part, we get punyam. And I don't know how much punyam we are all acquiring, because meter of punyam is not with us. Meter of papam is not with us. It is in Brahmaloka, and it is in Yamaloka, it is in Vishnuloka, not in Bhuloka. So that's why we say Atma Sakshi antare. Atma Sakshine Namaha andre namma punya papagala meteru namma hatrane ide, but we are not caring that because we are very much busy. So busy that we don't know today anything what are important. So I have started with this three Argala Stotram, and next class onwards, I think I will go with little speed and cover the 25 or some slokas. It's not as big as the Kavacha Stotram. Kavacham is big because we have got to have armor, 67 parts of our body, inside, outside, and surroundings and all that. All that has got to be shielded before you jump into the pool of Durga Parameswari's grace. And in order to get her grace activated upon us, we have to have this much security, safety, protection, shielding, all that is there. So, and moreover, our Vasan has chosen Mangalavara to be this day, when Mangala, Kali, Bhadra Kali, Namostute, no? So she's a Jayanti. Immediately next name is for her is Mangala. So if you have powers, if you have energies, if you have property, if you have strength in you, what you should do? You should only cause Mangalam. Something like Bhimasena, who has the credit of dealing with the 6 Akshauhinis of Duryodhana. Duryodhana came to fight with Pandavas with the 11 Akshauhini and 7 Akshauhini from Krishna's side. So all together. But Bhima was so powerful because of the grace of Krishna. Krishna is Durga only. So Krishna, Durga Parameswari, Swarupam is Krishna. So he was able to do such a marvel. All the 100 brothers were completely killed by single Bhima. So like that, you understand the energy. That's what is called as Mangala Devi. And that Mangala gave Jaya for the Parameswari. So with these words, we can stop. Om Swasti.
Om
Thank you, sir.
Sahana सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु श्रीवासुदेवार्पणमस्तु श्रीवेदपुरुषाशीर्वादोऽस्तु ॐ श्रीमातृचरणारविन्दार्पणमस्तु ॐ तत्सत् हरि ओम्।